Hi viewers, I welcome you all to this channel. So in this video I will discuss about how to integrate Hibernate with Eclipse environment. So for doing that, first we need to create the environment setup. So open the Eclipse workspace. There you can find window menu option. Click on preferences. There you can find the user library options. You can type it on the top, then you will get the user libraries. You can see that already I created the Hibernate libraries, so I just remove them and I will add them now. So add the new library, then we can give the name for it. So Hiber demo, like that I'm adding, sorry, Hiber live, like that I'm adding. After this, under this I want to have the jar files which can help me to integrate the Hibernate environment. So already have the source for all jar files which are required. So open that corresponding path where you have the jar files, select them and integrate them. Okay. After this, we need one more jar file which can help us to have the MySQL connection with our Hibernate. So again, click on add externals and you come to the MySQL jar file and add it. Okay, now the library which is ready for Hibernate environment, which can help to integrate to connect with the MySQL database also. Then finally click on apply and close. So after this, now as usual, create a new file project, Java project. So here you see we have two ways to do this. Maven project also may help us to do that, but it is somewhat time consuming one. So I go with this one, Java project. It may be simple to implement. So I'm giving the demo, Hyper demo new, like that I'm adding. So after this, yes, here we need to configure the path also. So right click on Hyper, go to build path, so configure build path. So here you have to give the library what we created for Hibernate under the class path. Okay, so select the class path, then click on add library where you can get the user library option, then click next button, then what library file we created for Hibernate, Hyperlib, okay, that I selected and I click on finish. Okay, now it is mapped to our project. After this, apply and close it. Okay, then after this we need to have the Java files and also XML files which can help us to execute our operation. So right click on source and go to new option, select package. So here I give the name for the package, my pack, like that. After this, I want to have the object file which has the properties which is similar to the table attributes what I have in my database. In my database, I have the table like users where I have the three fields, user ID, username and email. So with respect to that, I create a new Java file. Okay, that is what class. I name it as user. Okay, then I need to have the lines where I can able to execute getter methods and setter methods. So I can show you the code what I have for that one. So you can see that user.java, it is already created with the required getter and setter methods. So select it and I just copy it here. You can make it here also, but I just copy pasted. Okay, it's done now. After this, I want to have the XML file which is used to connect the table with this class file. Okay, so outside of this, okay, go to source, right click on that, then click on new and go to other option where I can able to create an XML file. So I have to give the XML file, so user.hbm.xml, like that, make it. And in this file we need to have the lines XML tags which can help us to map the table with our relation. Okay, I mean table with our class file. Okay, so copy this and we can paste it here. So here you can see that mypack.user, that is what the class file what we created, and users, it is a table which is available in my database. So now we get one error like Hibernate mapping DTD files error. So what we have to do is, so I already have Hibernate DTD files. So what I do now, I select the files where I have, so DTD files. So here you can see the Hibernate configuration and Hibernate mapping files. just copy that and paste them under the source. So right click on source, then paste them. It is done. Okay, right. After this, what we have to do is now we have to create an we have to create Hibernate configuration file. So right click on source, then click on new. After this, click on other, then XML file. So hibernate.cfg.xml. Okay, so in this I want to have the code Hibernate cfg.xml, where I can have the database environment to be connected with my Hibernate. So what I do now, yeah, I copied here. So everything is ready. Okay, so now after this, what I have to do is, okay, I go for having my main class file. So right click on the my package, then have a class file, that is what the main. So public static void main, you can give it, then finish it. So here I need to use the source which can help me to execute the operations. Okay, so here you can find we have to import the packages which can help us to have Hibernate connections. Okay, after this I need to have the code where I can able to execute the operations. So here you can find the code where you can find the insert operations could be executed on my table. Okay, so I just change the name of it. Okay, so code chef, then I change the mail ID of it. Okay, so code chef at gm. Okay, like that I have made it here. After this, IDE wise automatically that will be done because it's an auto increment with primary feature. Okay, so now everything is ready. So now you can see my table also. There you see sample, up to sample only the record which is added. Now in my code I have code chef and code chef.gm. When I execute this, what happens is these two data will be added into my table. Okay, now I click on run main.java. You can see that it is happening now. Okay, at last you can see the response. Yeah, Hibernate session is created, and also the insert, which is what the data what we given, it is added to the database. So I open my SQL environment. Okay, I just refresh that. I add it here. After this, at last you can see that sample gm. Okay, so now it is added. So this is the way we can able to perform insert operation using Hibernate. Okay, with Eclipse environment. One thing you can see that I didn't use any insert query anywhere, but from the code what I given in my main, okay, just by seeing what persist of view and also the methods, set methods, which can help me to what take the property and also refer the insert query which is to be done. Okay, so in coming videos I will upload the videos with respect to perform other database operations in the same Hibernate environment using Eclipse. And for resources you can use my drive link which is shared in this description. So from where you can able to download the files, jar files and also the source files, and follow this video to make this environment and successfully execute that. Thank you for watching this, and subscribe this YouTube channel, and also please support us. Thank you.